Hello guys, welcome back to the Pro Designs YouTube channel. Today, we are going to show you a very special trick in Adobe Photoshop that may be wanted in day-to-day life. In this video shows you how to convert any low-resolution logo into a high-resolution 2D single-color logo. Imagine a situation where you need a logo from the Coca-Cola company, but you can't find it anywhere. What you can find is a low-resolution image. The method is significant in such situations. This is very easy to do. We just use a few simple methods in Photoshop to do this. Before we go to the video, please check your subscribe button to see whether you subscribe to my channel. Let's go to the video. Create new high-resolution canvas first. Here I am create a 4K canvas. You can change resolution to 300 if you are looking to print this document. Now, drop your low-resolution logo image to the canvas. If we enlarge the image and zoom it inches, we can see the pixels in the image. It says that this image is useless. Then, create a new layer and fill it with a similar color to the background color of the logo image. Go to the new layer. Change the layer order as you can see. Take the paint bucket tool and select the logo layer and pick the background color of the logo layer using the quick eyedropper tool. To take quick eyedropper tool, hold the Alt key when using the paint bucket tool. Fill the new layer with that color. Now, merge both layers. Then, select the subject. Now, you can see this method does not work well in this case. Then, let's try another method to select subject. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Go to the select and go to the color range. Sample the background color and click OK. At this moment, it selected only the background, but we wanted to select the subject. Let's select the subject. We can use Marquee tool, Lasso tool or any of selections tool. Let's pick the Marquee tool and right-click on the selection and click on Select Inverse. Now, we have successfully selected the subject. Right-click on the selection and click on Make Work Path. Keep tolerance at 0.5 or 1.0 and click OK. Then, take the pen tool and right-click again on Work Path. And click on Define Custom Shape. You can put here any name that you like, and click OK to continue. After doing like this, you can see this logo in custom shapes library as a custom shape. You can use this anytime, anywhere as a shape. You can adjust the size as you want. That's all. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.